Hello everyone, Microsoft is finally getting ready to give us real control over the Start menu on Windows 11, and honestly, it is one of the biggest updates to this feature we had seen in years. For a long time, the Start menu has felt incredibly rigged, but as part of the new internal Windows K2 initiative, Microsoft is about to start testing some long overdue customization features in the Insider Preview builds. Here's everything that is changing and why this is a huge deal. Okay, first, size options. Right now, the Start menu automatically scales based on the screen size and the display resolution, and you can change it. So soon you will be able to manually choose between the small or large layout option, as you can see right here on this new Start menu size setting. This is going to be useful for keeping the layout consistent if you move between a laptop or a massive ultra-wide monitor or a multi-display setup. Next, Microsoft is finally adding independent toggles for the different sections. You will soon be able to completely hide or show the pinned, recommended, and all sections individually with these options right here. Actually, the option to hide the recommended section is still a little inconsistent because it is called present, so I hope this changes in the future. But all of this means that if you want a super clean, minimal launcher that only shows, for example, the pinned apps and nothing else, you will be able to set that in seconds. Speaking of recommendations, here's also my favorite change. Microsoft is finally separating files recommendations from the rest of the operating system. Currently, if you turn off the recommended section and the Start menu to hide your file history, it also disables recent files and jump list in File Explorer. The new update fixes this bundled mess. You will now be able to turn off the Start menu recommendations completely while still keeping your helpful history active inside of File Explorer. Lastly, there is a new privacy feature. The company is adding a toggle, which is this one right here, that completely hides your account name and profile picture from the bottom of the Start menu. This is a small but welcome change if you frequently share the screen during meetings, give presentations, or do live streams. Once these features roll out to the public, you will be able to find them inside of the redesigned Start page, which is inside of the personalization section. Now, if you were to enable this feature to hide your name from the Start menu, and you also disable the recommended section and the all section, and you choose the small size for the Start menu, this is how it will look like. It is great to see Microsoft listening to feedback and leaning into personalization instead of trying to force a single automated workflow to everyone. It is a pattern we had seen with the taskbar and File Explorer, and now the Start menu is finally getting the flexibility that it should have from day one. But what do you think? Are you excited to finally resize and clean up the Start menu, or do you already use third-party alternative? Let me know in the comments. And that is all there is to it. Remember to like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.